Welcome to the 153rd Chilliwack Fair, BC's second longest continuously running agricultural fair. Since 1873, it's been a place where community, creativity, and country traditions come alive. And this year, the fair is bigger and better than ever. Getting here is simple. The Chilliwack Fairgrounds are right in the heart of the Fraser Valley, easily accessible from Highway 1. Whether you're coming from Vancouver, Abbotsford, or Hope, just follow the signs and you'll find yourself in the middle of all the fun. We recommend booking your tickets online ahead of time. Not only does it save you time at the gates, but it also guarantees your spot for the big attractions, including the evening concerts and the rodeo. Parking is available right on site with overflow parking areas nearby, but it can get busy, so plan to arrive a little early to grab a good spot. The fair is packed with events from morning to night, live music, competitions, hands-on activities, and entertainment for all ages. Make sure to check the schedule so you don't miss your favorites. One of the biggest highlights every year is the rodeo. Feel the adrenaline as cowboys and cowgirls compete in barrel racing, bronc riding, bull riding, and more. It's thrilling, it's loud, and it's pure country spirit.
Flags up. Two. Number two.
In the barns, you'll find horses, cows, goats, rabbits, and more, along with events and showcases where you can learn about farm life up close. For kids, it's a chance to meet animals they may have only seen in books. Goats are such characters, full of curiosity and always up to something. And then there are the rabbits, soft, quiet, and completely adorable. The barn is such a peaceful spot. The sounds, the smells, the animals do. It's like stepping right into the heart of farm life. Just next to the animal pens, there's a cozy little play space for kids to burn off some energy. I could spend hours in here. The goats and rabbits were definitely my favorites in the exhibit this year. Inside the barn, there's so much more to see than just the animals. You'll find creative exhibits featuring Lego builds, beautiful artwork from both kids and adults, and several small stalls showcasing unique handmade items and local treasures. It's a real mix of talent, creativity, and community spirit all under one roof. When hunger strikes, head over to the food trucks for mouth-watering treats, from smoky barbecue to fresh mini donuts. And as the sun sets, enjoy live concerts and performances that keep the fair buzzing well into the evening. And for the grown-ups, there's also a spot to enjoy a cold beer or a refreshing drink, the perfect way to relax and take in the atmosphere. The Chilliwack Fair is the perfect way to spend your weekend with animals, art, rides, food, and music. There's something here for everyone. And if you have kids, they'll love every moment. So grab your boots, bring your friends and family, and make some memories at the Chilliwack Fair 2025. Thank you for joining us at the Chilliwack Fair. If you liked what you saw, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share this video.